Hello friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am telling about simple interest. What is simple interest? Simple interest is a quick and easy method of calculating the interest charge on a loan. Simple interest is determined by multiplying the daily interest rate by the principal by the number of days that elapse between payments. Albert has £400 in his savings account. His bank offers him a fixed 4% simple interest rate per annum for a period of 4 years. This is the question. How do we solve? We know that it is simple interest formula. Write down simple interest formula here. P into R into T by 100. Do you know what P? P is principal amount. R is rate, interest rate. T is time. So now we can solve this. P means principal amount. Principal amount is 400. R means rate of interest 4%. T means time of period, a period of 4 years. So 4 by 100 will give us answer. I will show you in the calculator. 400 into 4 into 4 equal to 6400 by 100. So our interest rate is 6400 by 100, 64 pounds he will get after 4 years. Here a difficult exam question in GCSE Maths Foundation. Austin invested 500 in the bank for 4 years. He earned 80 pounds simple interest in total. What was the simple interest rate per annum? So we need to find how much is the interest rate here. So what we need to do here, write down simple interest formula and then we know that he earned pound 80 already. So simple interest is pound 80. Principal amount is 500. Pound 500. But we don't know rate of interest. So rate of interest will remain same. And we know that it is for 4 years. So 500 times R times 4 by 100 equal to pound 80. It will change like this. Pound 500 times 4 by pound 80 into 100 pound 8000 equal to R. It will change like this. Now we know pound 500 into 4 pound 2000 by pound 8000 equal to 4. So 4 years 4% is 4% is interest rate. We can check our answer is correct or not. I am substituting our answer P into R into T by 100. Yeah. Now 500 into 4 by 80, sorry, 4 by 100 will give us 80. Then into 4 into 4 equal to 80,000 by 100. So our answer is correct. This is the way we will solve this type of questions. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. If you understand those, try these and post your answer in my comment section. Bye. I will see you soon with another video.